Hey guys, today we're going to be going over a chin tuck exercise. This is really good for starting to reshape the neck and strengthen all these weak neck flexors. Because as we know, a lot of us have upper crust syndrome, or everyone calls terrible posture, where the head is all the way out here. So this is something we can work on. Takes a little bit long with care here, and then the exercise on your own. The good thing about this exercise, it's easy, doesn't take a lot of effort, and you can do it pretty much anywhere. I do like to tell a lot of people, because people drive all the time, to do it while you're driving. You can use your headrest as support for the exercise here. You don't need any support in the back of the head at all, but if you want to do a little bit more strengthening when this gets easier, you can take a TheraBand at the back of the head and add it to it that way. So all you're simply doing, sitting down, driving again, or even just in your chair in the kitchen, you can just sit here like this. From this posture here, you're going to be making a double chin. I know they're called chin tucks. We're not going down. We're coming straight back like a double chin. And you're going to hold that for about 10 to 30 seconds, then relax. In the beginning, you're not really going to be able to hold it that long. 3 to 5 seconds is perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then relax. And then do it again. 3 to 5 seconds, and build up your tolerance till we can get to holding that to up to 30 seconds. But as we go along, just take a break, and it's like an exercise. We're going to be doing sets and reps. So you'll do the 3 to 5 count for 8 to 10 reps, take a break, 30 seconds to a minute, then you can repeat that again. 3 to 5 second holds, 8 to 10 of them. And again, while you're driving, especially if you commute for a while, you can do a lot of those over a period of an hour or two. So do those as much as you can. Everyone can benefit from this. If you do have any pain with it, I mean sharp pain in the back of the neck, come on in, let's talk about it. We'll give you a different exercise that you can do. All right? Have fun with it.